The MV Hondius, a Dutch cruise ship, has become a floating quarantine zone after a deadly hantavirus outbreak killed 3 passengers and left at least 8 others seriously ill. Nearly 150 passengers are trapped aboard, most locked in their cabins to avoid infection. Chilling images from inside show empty lounges, deserted dining halls, and health workers in hazmat suits patrolling the decks. The ship was barred from docking at Cape Verde's Port of Praia, with local authorities citing the need to protect national public health. Now, the vessel is sailing toward the Canary Islands, but the regional leader there has also refused permission to dock. Spain's government, however, says the islands are the closest location with the necessary medical capabilities and that the country has a moral and legal obligation to assist, especially since several Spanish citizens are on board. The outbreak is caused by the Andes strain of hantavirus, which is rare because it can spread between humans through prolonged, close contact. Most hantavirus strains are carried by rodents and transmitted through droppings or urine, but the Andes variant is more dangerous. Symptoms, which include severe respiratory problems, can appear 1 to 4 weeks after exposure, sometimes up to 8 weeks. There is no vaccine or specific treatment. Care focuses on managing symptoms. 3 people, including 1 British national, have been evacuated to the Netherlands for medical care. The remaining British passengers are being monitored and may be repatriated once the ship docks if they show no symptoms. UK health officials say the risk to the general public remains very low, but they are contact tracing and supporting those who have returned to the UK independently. The ship's operator, Oceanwide Expeditions, confirmed that 2 of the evacuated patients have arrived in the Netherlands, while a third is delayed but stable. The MV Hondius left Cape Verde and is expected to reach the Canary Islands in 3 to 4 days. 3 additional medical professionals have boarded to provide care during the crossing. The company says it is in close talks with authorities about quarantine and screening procedures. This outbreak has turned a luxury cruise into a nightmare, raising questions about how such viruses can spread in confined spaces and what happens when no port will accept a stricken ship. For now, passengers remain in limbo, waiting for a safe harbor.